Hi all, welcome to Sanchit Gurukul. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to configure Big IP device first time and activate the license. To configure F5 device first time, you don't need to make any changes during the booting of the device. Just connect F5 device console port to your laptop or desktop and power on the device. Once all files are loaded, you can see prompt for login. You need to enter username and password to log in to device. Username is root and password is default. During the first time login, it will ask for set a new strong password for root user. You need to change the password, otherwise you will not able to prompt further. Enter current password. Enter new password. Retype new password. Now new password is set for the root user. This will also change the WebUI admin user password with the same new password. Now we need to configure the management interface IP to access the device from management network to get access of the CLI and WebUI. To configure the management port, please type config command. It will open a pop-up window to configure the management port IP address, subnet mask and gateway IP. You can also use management port to activate or download updates directly from the F5 portal if internet access is there for management network. Management IP family, type IP version 4 or IP version 6. I am going to select the IP version 4, press enter. Now you can see the next window in this. If an IP is already assigned, it means device has already taken IP address from the DHCP server. You don't need to do it manually. You can skip to next step by selecting yes. If you want to set a manual IP address for this management port, you need to select no and proceed further. It will ask for enter the new IP. After entering the new IP, please select OK and press enter. Enter the net mask. Select OK and press enter. Now it will ask for default route for management port. You can enter the gateway IP of your management networks. Change default gateway IP or route IP. Select OK and press enter. Now you have configured the management port configuration. Please validate if assigned IP address and other information are correct and then accept the settings. It will take few minutes to replicate the setting. Now you can validate if you are able to reach your management network gateway and internet. Ping your gateway IP. It is reachable. Ping google.com. It is reachable. So it confirms that your device is reachable to your management network and as well as internet. Further, we'll configure through the WebUI of F5 device. To connect through the WebUI, you need management IP. To check management IP, you can type ifconfig command and check IP details of management port. Now you can access WebUI of this device via web browser using the HTTPS and IP address of the device. Accept the risk and proceed further. This is due to invalid certificate. Now, you can see the login window. You need to enter the admin user credentials. Please note admin password has been set to same as root password, which you have changes during the first time CLI login. Enter username admin and password. It will ask to change the admin password. Change it with new password. Enter current password. Enter new password. Confirm new password. Save new password. Now admin user password has been changed for this device. Log in using new admin credentials. It will redirect to F5 home page post login. You can see on top of home page it is showing no license exists for this device or license of this not working. You can also see provisioning warning and device status. To use this F5 device, you need to configure it first using the setup utility or manually. We will see this step-by-step configuration in next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are only going to learn how to install license. To attach a valid license, you need to first purchase it from F5 as per your requirement. For demonstration, I am using a trial license which comes with 30 days validity, which is good for product demonstration. Click on license from left pane and you can redirect to license page. Here, you can see license is not activated for this device. To activate the license, click on activate button and it will redirect to new page. Here, you can see multiple options. Base registration key. This key you will get from F5 website to activate the device. You can also add add-on keys for other modules of F5 if you purchased separately from the F5. You can choose activation method between manual and automatic. For automatic, you need an internet connection to connect with F5 activation server and validate the enter key. You need to select the correct interface which you are going to use to get internet access. This is an optional option to enable license comparison. We are going to see both types of the method to activate the license on F5 device. First method, manual activation. Select activation method manual. Enter base registration key. Click on next. It will generate the dossier. Copy the dossier. Click on Access F5 Licensing Server. It will open the F5 license activation page in new tab. Paste the copied dossier, or you can also save dossier in Notepad file and upload here. Click on Next. Read and agree the license term and condition. Click on Next. It will generate the license file. Copy or download the license file. Go back to device activation page. Paste the license file or upload the license file. Click on Next. Now it will validate the license and install on the device. It will take few seconds to complete the setup. Click on Continue. Here you can see the resource provision details. In this section you can see the F5 modules and also see the license details for each modules. From here you can enable, disable and define the resource for each modules as per the requirement. I am going to dedicate this device for LTM module only. Select Dedicate option from drop-down menu from provisioning of LTM module. It will assign more CPU and memory for LTM module. Click on Next. It will restart the daemons or reboot the system to apply the new changes. It will take few minutes to complete the changes. Click on License from left pane and now you can see the full license details in this window like license type, license date, license expiry date, active modules and optional modules. Click on Next to see resource provisioning details. Second method, automatically activation of the license. Click on License from left pane. Select Automatic method. Enter base registration key. Please note, before clicking on Next, please make sure you have selected the correct port which is having internet access. Click on Next. It will communicate to F5 license portal and validate the entered base registration key. Once key validated, you see EULA page. Please read and accept the EULA end user license agreement. Now it will apply the new changes. It will take few seconds complete it. Click on Continue. Now you can see the license details. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.